Hello everyone, good morning all. Today we are going to discuss about the topic of fruits. Okay? Fruits is a part of a plant which develop from a flowers. Some fruits have one seed, some have few seeds and some have many seeds. Some are juicy, some are pulpy. Fruits different in their shape, size and taste. Some fruits are big, some are small, some can be eaten with peel and some can be eaten without peel. So, first fruit is apple. Okay, this is apple tree. एप्पल का बड़ा पेड़ होता है और उसके लीव्स मीडियम साइज के होते हैं. ओके, APPLE apple, TREE tree. Okay, this is apple tree. Apple, it is red in color, it is hard, it has thin skin outside. When we cut apple, it is white inside. It has few black seeds which we remove before eating. It comes single. Okay? An apple a day keeps doctor away. Okay? Now next fruit is mango. MANGO, mango, TREE tree. मैंगो का बड़ा पेड़ होता है और इनके भी लीव्स मीडियम साइज के होते हैं. ओके, मैंगो, it is yellow and orange in color. Okay, it is pulpy fruit. It has one big seed inside. It is sweet and sour in taste. It is a king of fruits. It has thick skin. Okay. Now next, pomegranate tree. POMEGRANATE, pomegranate, TREE tree. Okay, this is pomegranate tree. इसका भी पेड़ बहुत बड़ा होता है पर इनके लीव्स स्मॉल होते हैं, छोटे छोटे होते हैं. ओके, pomegranate has red seeds inside. They are sweet, juicy and crunchy. Now next, orange tree. ORANGE, orange, TREE tree, orange tree. ये भी बहुत बड़ा पेड़ होता है और उसके लीव्स भी छोटे छोटे होते हैं. ओके, दिस इज orange. It is orange in color. It is round in shape. It is soft. It is sweet or sour. It is a juicy fruit. Okay, now next, strawberry plant. STRAWBERRY, strawberry, PLANT, plant. स्ट्रॉबेरी का छोटा सा प्लांट होता है. ओके, उनके भी लीव्स छोटे छोटे होते हैं. ओके, strawberries are red in color. It is sweet and sour in taste. Okay, now next fruit is pineapple. PINEAPPLE, pineapple, PLANT, plant. पाइनएप्पल का छोटा सा पेड़ होता है. ओके, It is a juicy fruit. Its color is orange and yellow. Its peel has to be removed. It is big fruit, rough to touch. Okay, now next fruit is grapes. grapevine. grapevine. ग्रेप्स का ये बेल होता है, उसे क्या कहते हैं? क्लाइंबर. ओके, इनके भी लीव्स छोटे छोटे होते हैं. ग्रेप्स आर ग्रो इन बंचेस. दे आर ब्लैक और ग्रीन. It is a juicy fruit and it tastes sweet and sour. They have one or few small seeds or some are seedless. They are soft. Okay. Now next fruit is watermelon. 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 It is a big fruit. It is green from outside and red from inside. It is a juicy fruit. Its peel is thick. It has many black or brown seeds which are to be removed. और इसका भी बेल होता है. ओके, उसे हम क्रीपर कहते हैं. ओके, क्रीपर. Okay, now next fruit is plum. Next fruit is plum. 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 Tree. इसका बहुत बड़ा पेड़ होता है और इनके भी लीव्स मीडियम साइज के होते हैं. ओके. Plum is a sweet fruit. Plums are purple and red in color. Okay. Now next fruit is guava. 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 Tree. इसका बहुत बड़ा पेड़ होता है और इनके लीव्स भी मीडियम साइज के होते हैं. It is hard. It is green outside and white inside. It has very thin skin. It has many small seeds which are eaten. Okay, now next fruit is peach. Peach plant. Peach. Peach. Plant. Plant. Peach plant. इनके लीव्स भी मीडियम साइज के होते हैं. ओके. Peaches are also called stone fruits because they have a shell of hard wood around their seed called a stone or a peat. Peaches are orange and yellow in color. The inside of a peach is a golden color. Okay. Now next fruit is banana. Banana. Banana plant. 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 इसका पेड़ भी मीडियम साइज का होता है और इसके लीव्स बड़े साइज के होते हैं. ओके. It is yellow in color. It is long and soft. It has thick skin which is peeled before eating. It is white from inside. It has tiny black seeds which are not removed while eating. It is sweet to taste. It comes in bunches. Okay. Now next, identify and write the first letter of the fruits. Tell me, which fruit is this? Yes, correct. This is apple. So, write here first letter A. Okay. Now next, this is pomegranate. So write here P. Okay. Now next, this is mango. So write here M. Okay. Next, these are grapes. So children, write here G. Okay. Very good. Now next, match the following. So children, this is your homework. Do this homework in your classwork book. Okay. Till then, bye bye.